Hello everyone. Today I'm here to present before you social marketing in Odoo 40. So having a solution that allows you to create, schedule, keep track, engage with your audience and measure results saves you time and helps you to successfully execute your online strategy from post to results. So here we have our social marketing module, and when you open that, you can see all the feeds in different social medias, in different streams. You can see in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and here when you go to configuration settings, you can configure your accounts, that is Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts. So here you can see the account configuration of and with by providing app ID and app secret, you can configure them. Then here you can see an option to enable demo mode. So this is used in order to get some demo data on your module. So this must never be used on production database. It is just for testing purpose. So when you enable this, then you can see some post here. Uh, so here you can see the post because we have enabled demo. Then here under configuration, you can see here mm, to configure social media. So when you open social media, you can link Facebook account, LinkedIn, and Twitter account, and you can also push notification. That is to send live notification to your web visitors. And here you can configure social accounts. So here you can see your websites. We have created two websites. So to send push notification for website, and we can see medium, that is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So we can see the configuration. Here we can image, then can see the name and social media type, social media. Then here we can see the social streams. There also you can see Twitter, then Facebook, LinkedIn. So here you can see it is post by my company. You can see the title. So when you open this, you can see the social account name and the type of account and the title. So these are the social streams which you can configure. Then here you can see our feeds. So as we have enabled the demo option, you can see all the feeds, that is all the posts in different social media, that is Facebook, Twitter, then LinkedIn. So it is by default filtered by my streams and grouped by stream. So you can see some post here, like in Facebook, you can see one post that is our company wishes Happy New Year to everyone. And so this is posted 43 minutes. This was posted 43 minutes ago, and it is possible to like this post and you can comment, add comments. So here we can add comment. Then you can also see the number of shares and views of this post. So for Twitter, you can see there are 43 likes and you can see one retweet. And so when you open this, you can see all the comments here. The same way for LinkedIn also you can see. It is also possible to attach image for your post. So here you can find a button to add a stream. So you can click on add stream and grant required permission to add your accounts. So you can see here we can add a stream from existing account or link a new account. So you will be redirected to your feed and column with publications automatically added. And you can then add new accounts or streams such as can see Facebook mentions and customize your Kanban view. So adding social media accounts to your feed will also link KPIs, key performance indicators. And to get redirected to the statistics page of the social account, click on Insights. So when you click on Insights, you can see the statistics of your page. So this is because we haven't signed into the Facebook account. Then in order to publish content, a new content, we have to click this new post. So when you click that, you can see your post. You can post on website. You can see we have created two website. You can push notification on website, and you can set that is we can create post on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and you can add message. Suppose I'm creating a post, happy Christmas, and you can add smileys from here. And it is possible to attach some images. So from here we can attach images, and here we can add the campaign. So I am going to add Christmas promo or Christmas, and here we can send an option that is when to send this feed or post. So this post can be shared or sent now, or it can be scheduled later. So if you click the second option, then we can set a scheduled post date. So here I can set a scheduled post date. So I'm not doing this. I'm choosing the first option, send now. And as you select the option from here, you can see a preview of the post on the right side. So when I select Facebook, you can see how the it will be posted in, it will be published in Facebook. You can see that here. And when I choose Twitter, that also I can see here. So I'm selecting all the options. Then here, when you select push notification on website, you can see option that is web notification option. So here it is possible to add push notification title, then push notification, push target URL, and push our icon image. Then we can also send at visitors time zone. So if you enable this, then visitors will receive the post at that time, at their time. Then we can match record with the following rules. So here we can set some rule, that is here you can see push subscription is set, and can also see the number of records when you set the filter. So after creating and saving this feed, we can post this feed. And if you have scheduled this post for a particular date, it is possible to send now. That is post now by clicking this. So we already, that is we have schedule this post to send now. So we can click post, and so we can see the feed is posted on the social medias. And we also have an option, test notification. And we also have an option for test notification. So when you post the feed, we can see here three feed post, that is number of link feed post. So you can see here for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And here you can see if we have created any leads from website. You can see the number of leads created and the revenue, total revenue from the feed, and the total quotations created from the feed, and the number of clicks. So you can see there are 19,236 clicks for the feed, for the post. And it is possible to schedule some activity also for this post. So when you come back, here you can see that post is added here and can see 1 minute ago. It is also possible to view the number of followers of your channel. So for Facebook, you can see number of followers of the channel. You can see the count here, and the number of times people have engaged with your post. That is like, shares, and comments. And it's also possible to view number of times people have engaged with your channel, have created stories on their friends or followers. That is shares and retweets. Then here when you click post, you can see all the social posts with different status, that is all posted and posting. So you can also see the status here, and you can see total clicks and number of leads created, quotations and revenues of each post. Then you can also filter by website post and Twitter post. Then you can connect your marketplace with campaigns. So here you can see all the created campaigns, and it is created in different stages, you can see, and it can be dragged from one stage to other. So you can see there are 4 stages created: new, schedule, design, send, and you can create new column from here. So whether your goal is to sell a new product, explain the value of your services, or advertise your event, a campaign helps you to connect with your marketplace. They normally involve multiple channels. So it is fundamental to have a solution with which you can plan, execute, track, and analyze your content. So it is possible to create a new campaign by clicking create button. You can add the campaign name, responsible person, and you can add tags and then click add to create a new campaign. So here you can see, when you create contents, some tabs for specific channel are shown. The overview of campaign displays global metrics such as, you can see here, revenue, the number of users who from a link in your content finished a transaction or paid. Then you can see the quotations, that is number of users who from a link in your content have started but not finished a transaction, that is have created quotations but did not pay. Then we can see the number of leads, that is users who have filled out your contact form, and that is from a link in your content, that can be from your website, or the campaign posted on website. Then you can see number of posts and notification, the number of SMS sent, total number of mailings can be seen for your campaign. So if you have completed sending campaign, you can move drag to send state. Then you can see the visitors of your pages. So you can see all the visitors. Here we can see 7 visitors, and you can see the last action. So for Michelin, you can see 3 hours ago. And if that visitor is active, then you can see a green color here. So now all visitors are offline, and you can see number of visits, the last visited page, the number of visited pages, then if whether leads or opportunities are created, the count can be seen here, and the total registrations done by that visitor. Then we can send SMS and email to those visitors. So social marketing is a better solution for this. So we can schedule and keep track your audience, and helps you to execute things in a successful way.
If you're interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.